Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie mash. Start by peeling and chopping potatoes into even chunks for fast cooking. Boil until tender and drain well. While potatoes cook, brown minced beef with onion, season with salt and pepper, and add stock to make a rich gravy. Mash potatoes with butter and a splash of milk for creamy texture, then plate the mash and pour hot gravy over the pie. Gather ingredients and measure before you begin to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Choose floury potatoes for fluffiness and season the meat while it browns to build deep flavor. Use a simple roux or reduction to thicken gravy, and taste as you go to balance salt and acidity. Keep butter and milk warm for mashing to maintain a silky potato texture, then combine and serve immediately for best results. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and keep recipes coming. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers, recipe reading, and a musical cooking vibe. It's perfect for busy kitchens. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if it sounds useful, and now let's get back to the video. Work in stages so everything finishes together and stays warm for serving. Time potatoes to finish just after the gravy so textures and heat align on the plate. When browning meat, scrape up brown bits to enrich the gravy and simmer until reduced for a concentrated flavor. Keep mashed potatoes creamy by adding warmed milk gradually and season to taste before plating to ensure balanced, comforting pie mash every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.